Alright guys, today we're going to be cleaning some injectors, super cheap and easy. Right here we have a valve stem. There's a pack of 4 of these for $5 on Amazon, links below. This comes with the gum out, that's what we're going to be using. It's choke cleaner, that's what we want. And then this came with this, the little stem. We got a 9-volt battery, a couple pieces of wire, and our injector of course. So the way this is going to work is we're going to go ahead and take these pieces of wire, we're going to stick these on our injector tabs. And then what these are going to do, or these are going to open it when we connect it to the 9-volt. So what you should hear, if your injector is still good, when you connect both ends of these to a 9-volt, you should hear a little click. That means that it's actuating. So I've read a couple of different things on the internet. Some people just kind of like hold it down or whatever while you spray the gum out through it. But I'm just going to be doing it really quick because in reality, these don't really stay open for very long. So we're just going to do a couple of quick little bursts and we're going to clean them out that way. So what we did here is I took the cap off of the stem. And I took the straw from our, this is Barryman B12 choke cleaner. And what I did is I took a lighter and I melted the end of the straw and I pulled the cap up onto it. That's after I drilled a hole through the cap. So basically what we have now is a nice tight seal, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and stick that, screw it onto here, and then we're going to take our valve stem and stick it on the end of our injector. Just like that, and boom, now we can go ahead and just hook this straight up to the can and we'll have pressurized cleaner behind it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do this. This is a front flush, and then we're going to take this off and we're going to go ahead and stick it in like this into a reverse flush as well. For both of them we're going to be actuating it with the 9-volt, but we're going to do both of those so that we get all the stuff out. What you want to see is a nice good spray pattern when you do the front flush. You want to see a nice spread out, a nice mist, but it's going to look actually pretty bad when you do the reverse flush just because there's no nozzle. So that's what we're going to do. Let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, one thing to note, when you buy these valve stems, they have shrader valves in them, this little thing right here. Basically it's a car tire. You don't want the air coming back out, so that's what those do. But we want a nice clear pathway like that for all of our injector cleaning. So we have this little tool I got from Amazon. It was like $4. You just stick it in and you twist it and it just unscrews the shrader valve. And then once that's done, we can go ahead and use that to clean our injectors. Alright, now it's easiest if you do this with a friend. So as you can see here, I have a friend with me. And basically he's holding down the can and spraying it a little bit while I tap the battery on and off. You should see your injector start to clear up. The stuff, this B12 barrymans is really good stuff. It actually works really fast. So I started getting really good sprays really quickly. So that's basically it, guys. Super easy, super fast, super simple. I hope this video helped you guys. Remember to like this if it helped and subscribe. Thanks guys, and see you later.